This dinosaur faced a brutal fate. In the late Cretaceous period, a massive predator.
His YouTube channel makes over 200,000 a year without ever showing a face on camera, simply by creating short videos about animal science and fun facts. Here's exactly how you can do the same. Pick a popular niche like ocean facts, dog facts, or wild animal mysteries. Head over to ChatGPT and ask it to give you some interesting little known facts about your chosen topic. Once you have got your idea, copy it and go to vexup.com, an AI tool that helps you create full videos automatically. Select the YouTube short option, paste your fact, and tell the AI to turn it into a video. And that's it. Now just upload.
This animal can kill you in seconds. Deep in the jungles and oceans, there are creatures so dangerous that most people don't even know they exist.
Stay consistent and watch your faceless channel grow while VexUp handles all the heavy lifting. And you can also start generating huge revenue like